Sorry about that, I bumped the button. This here is your power sliding glass rear window. And we got dual climate control, radio control buttons here on the steering wheel, and cruise control buttons over here. It's currently got 32,233 miles. Everything works that I can find. Since it's a little warm today, we'll go ahead and turn the AC on. And then over here, of course, we got all your trip functions for your miles per gallon and that kind of stuff. We'll go ahead and roll up the window and go for a drive. Let me put my seatbelt on for you. This truck came to us, to our dealership, from a family whose father had passed away, and they wanted to sell the truck for the estate. The gentleman who had passed away, I believe, if my memory serves me correctly, I believe he was 76 years old. So the truck was driven very lightly, obviously, since it only has 32,000 miles on it. See, I'm letting go of the steering wheel here. We're going straight down the road. No pulls or anything like that. See up here, the next oil change due is at 34,000 miles. See, there's no idiot lights on in the dash whatsoever. This truck does have variable valve timing in it, so when you're going down the interstate, you set the cruise, it'll fire on 4 cylinders, which improves your fuel economy. Not quite sure what these trucks generally average for fuel economy. I definitely believe it's in the mid-20s, maybe even high 20s. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I do know it's got the variable valve timing in it. Now, as always, if you have any questions, you're always more than welcome. Feel free to give us a holler. Thank you.